Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's market fundamental and technical breakdown. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoko, the founder of 10x Digital Link, and I want to welcome you to the market fundamental and technical breakdown for the time period of May 19th to May 23rd. Today, we'll be diving into the technical chart, Euro USD, GBP, or AED USD, XAU USD, which is known as gold, and lastly, Bitcoin. After we're done with that, we're presenting some opportunities for those who are newbies, and as well, we'll be calling out trade signals for those who are in our community. As well, we'll be sending out information about the fundamental news that impact the market for this week. So I want you to watch to the end because we're not just going to give you analysis, we're also going to give you signals, we're also going to give you an opportunity to start learning to grow. And as well, we're going to give you what the information that will help you what trade this market profitably for this week. So we would like to dive into our chart right now while we show you what we were able to achieve last week, the trade signals we called out last week, the results it gave, and as well forecast a new week signal. So that's what we're going to do right now. And once that is completed, you can be able to now know the direction the market is going to move within this week. Okay. So if this is your first time, smash the like button, subscribe, and share this content with your friends and family. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for coming back here. Watch this video multiple times every single day from Monday to Friday to keep yourself reminded of this particular forecast we're going to be sharing with you. And as well, share this content with your friends and family and drop a comment because I'll be going through every single comment on the comment section. Okay, so with that said, let's dive into my screen. Right now, what you can see is Euro USD, okay? Euro USD. And our forecast for last week was clear. The market pushed down from here. Okay, so as at Monday, we told you we expect market to retest towards this supply zone. And from this supply zone, we expect a sell. Okay. So our push up forecast was on point. Our push up forecast was on point. So now what we expect was a sell because you can see the prevailing trend that is currently marked out there. The prevailing trend that's currently marked out there is a downtrend. And since that this prevailing trend is a downtrend, we expect what a sell to come in sooner for Euro USD. So let's now update our forecast for last week was accurate. We moved up and then we called a sell. In the group, we called a sell. That was on a Thursday. We called a sell and then we held the sell till Friday. So the trades are still running very, very well. So let's update this Euro USD chart quickly. So this is the previous week low and this is the previous week high. Then we go to the daily time frame. And daily time frame is called the daily demand and the daily supply. So over here, we have the daily demand all the way down here, okay, which has a fair value gap as well created. So this is the daily demand all the way down here. And then the daily supply, this is the daily supply, the current daily supply over here. Because this was what a serious change of character, break of structure with downside. This is the last blue candle that indicated of the food efficiency inside it. So this is daily supply. Then we go down to the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, we mark out the 4 hours demand and supply as well. All the way down here where we have our daily demand, that's where I see the 4 hours demand as well. That is clear. So now we mark out the 4 hours supply. Last week we used a reoptimization zone. This was the reoptimization zone we used. The market was trending to the downside, then we broke this zone. This is now a reoptimization zone. The demand zone that turned into a supply zone over here. So now the market is not longer interested in this demand zone. Instead, it is now using a 4 hour supply zone. So this 4 hour supply zone is this huge candle over here. This candle over here. So this is the 4 hours supply zone over here, this particular candle here. So let's adjust this down over here. So for Euro USD, I see two things right now. I see a buy opportunity, and as well I see a sell opportunity. But based on our forecast for last week, which was really pull back to the upside, which completed successfully. Right now, I can see that Euro USD can easily from this supply zone sell towards this reduced demand zone. Yes, this is highly possible. And then as well, if USD chooses to break above from here, this level, break above this demand zone, this supply zone, now expect a retest to continue to push to the upside, okay, towards this level. So but we were inside the supply zone right now, also close to prevailing trend. So this is a prevailing trend. Okay. So if this holds, the pair very well, so expect sales coming to euro against dollar this week. Okay. So join our WhatsApp, join our Telegram, we'll keep you guys updated on that signal. Then for AUD USD, this was our forecast for AUD USD. So this was we show you the forecast before we give you the future analysis. So we have a range here. After this range, there was a breakout. Let's say AUD will come back into these demands in here. So when the market was here on Monday, told you guys expect AUD to shoot to the upside from these demand zone, which is what the market did. Or if it breaks this demand zone, okay, and also break this range on the lower part, we expect it to retest this demand zone as a supply zone, which is a recognition zone, and sell. So with that in mind, now AUD has completed this. And for this forecast already, this still holds because I can see that the market created. Okay, let's update this chart. Let's update this chart. Let's start from the weekly time frame. Let's not rush the process. Let's start from the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we just have to drag this to this. This becomes the previous week high. And let me adjust this box. And this becomes the previous week low for ADS. Then we go to daily time frame. The daily time frame demand. Okay, this becomes the daily time frame demand. This last red candle here, over here. This becomes the daily time frame demand because you see the markets in here touched them before it moved up. So this is the demand zone. You see the market still came back to this level again for pushing up. So the daily time frame supply is all the way up here. This candle over here, this candle. So then we go to the 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame demand has evolved. So this is now the 4 hours demand. This last red candle over here, this candle here is 4 hours demand, okay? So we just have to drag this and put it over here as demand. So based on what I can see now, we can expect even the AUD USD to shoot to the upside. This range will be removed. It's not valid anymore. So you can see that the market has held massively. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay, so there's chances that ABS will shoot from this level to the upside. Okay, shoot from this level to the upside. But if it breaks, whatever happens, and ABS breaks this demand zone, this massive demand zone, okay, or over here, we're going to expect a rate test to a optimization zone and then sell to the downside. And this down drop could be very, very massive, okay? Be very, very, very massive. So that's what I see for AUD. But for now, it's still looking some buy intentions. So that'll be for AUD. Then for XAUUSD, this was our forecast for last week. The market was here on Monday. Was ready to come towards this supply zone, but no, the market was bearish ultra last week, so it sold, came back again and sold. So our forecast for good last week was not accurate. We are not 100% perfect, but we will try to make sure that we send you guys perfect signals that will help you grow your account. So join our VIP group, okay? The link to join is going to be on the description. Our link tree is going to be on the description. Join our VIP group. And that VIP group, you have daily analysis session, not just daily analysis session. You also be given the opportunity to vote, trade with us live, okay? We record signals for you live, going through these signals live. And also you have a one-on-one consultation with me whenever any particular topic is difficult for you. So on the gold, what I see for gold now, gold is prevalent to the upside, okay? There is a massive uptrend, okay, on gold on the daily time frame. And with that in mind, there's easing of the trade tension because last week Trump reached an agreement with China the US is doing China, and then there's easy. That's why investors are selling off gold. When there's uncertainty, investors buy gold, safe haven assets. But when there's certainty, investors sell off gold, or even they don't sell it off, they loan it. They loan it out, the rich loan out assets, okay, and bring liquidity so that they can invest in other assets that will generate more liquidity for them. So what people might have been doing that at this point, they went to the bank, told the bank, I have $2 million worth of gold, loan me about $1 million worth of cash. They can now use it and invest in Bitcoin. Because as at this time, Bitcoin was at $88,000. So if they bought Bitcoin, then 80,000. Currently, Bitcoin is at 102,000. The $1 million alone being profit. Why their gold drops in value? You get the point. So that's a viewpoint you need to have as well when you are investing in the market. So on the daily time frame, I see a daily demand. This daily demand has been broken. The daily demand is broken. So I see a daily demand. This is something like a rotation zone. Okay, so daily demand is all the way down here, and then I see under. Okay, we use this. We're using this daily rotation zone. So this was a supply zone, now turn to a demand zone over here. Then for the daily supply, these two holds. This shows as the supply zone. Although we have a reorganization zone, which is more like a demand zone turn to supply zone over here as well, which has held the market countless times. So when we update that based on where the market is currently, we're using the reorganization zone as well. Okay. So then that in mind, let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, uh I see gold at this particular zone. Okay. Okay, good. So what can you see? I see the market is trending to the downside. Okay, and when the market is trending to that side, please import correction, what imports correction, imports correction, imports correction, imports correction, imports correction. We used to create under imports to previously, but since you did not create and it came back all the way here, okay. So there are still chances that gold will sell from here this level. But if gold breaks the supply zone, then there's high chances that will be even more to the upside, okay? That's what I see for gold right now. So this is what I see on the 4 hours time frame. So the gold is currently at this level of supply, the level of supply over here, and the psychological level of 3,250. So what gold closely? If it breaks above this level of supply, okay, on the 4 hours time frame, it's a body candle close, retest it, and then form an engulfing candle on the lower time frame, like 15 minutes or 5 minutes change of character to the bullish side, then we take a buy to the upside. So this is what I see for gold. Okay. So aside that, this low can still be taken from here. Once this is held very well, this low can still be taken to capitalize towards this level and get to 3,100 per ounce. Okay. So let's watch out and see how this trade plays out. Then the last release, which is Bitcoin. Okay, so this is Bitcoin now. For Bitcoin, we start on the weekly time frame. Let's go to the weekly time frame and let's update previous week high and previous week low. Okay, so this is the previous week high over here for Bitcoin, and this is previous week low for Bitcoin. And this previous week low for Bitcoin. So, you know, then we go to the daily time frame. And daily time frame is very interesting. What we see, you see that the market has been having some ups and downs. Okay, market has been having some ups and downs for Bitcoin recently. Okay, and it's indecision that is causing that. It's indecision in the market that is causing that. Because on the daily time frame, what I can see is that On the daily time frame, what I can see is that Bitcoin is currently inside the supply zone, daily supply. This is daily supply zone. This is daily demand zone over here. Okay. Overall, we're trending to the upside, creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and this is a higher high. So let me update this. So this is more like a higher high, and the market created this higher low here. Okay, created this higher low. The market created this higher high over here. However, the market created this higher low, ranged for a while. Then yesterday, it's created a new higher high over here. So I think the market is going to create another what higher low. That's what the market is heading towards now. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Let's look properly on what the market has to do on the 4 hours time frame. Let me get this off. Get this off. So on the 4 hours time frame, we see that this market came into this and it's ranged. This is more like a range. But there was a break and it's a body candle above this range from here. So what the market is coming towards this what 4 hours demand. So if this 4 hours demand over here holds this market, there's a 4 hours demand over here. Like this. There's a 4 hours demand I see over here for Bitcoin. If this 4 hours demand holds this market, okay, then we should see what continuation push the upside for Bitcoin. So there is a demand here. But that is literally more like the origin of this massive parabolic move to the upside. So if we see this, then we should see what continuation push higher for Bitcoin. Okay, so this is now going to be the higher low we're expecting the market to create. It's going to be from the okay, continue bullish structure. But in any sense that this market breaks this, retest it, we're going lower. You get. So we monitor this closely. The market has not actually set up yet. We monitor this closely. Once we see the market set up accurately, we'll be sending signals to the VIP group and as well sending signals across every channel. Okay, in our community. So don't hesitate. Join our community on Twitter, on WhatsApp, on Telegram. Don't procrastinate at all. Join our community on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, wherever that is conducive for you. If you're looking for our website as well, you can go to www.10digitallink.com. Okay. Once you search that on the web on the Google Chrome, it will load up the information you need to see about us and our contents, who we are. You can need to go through our business plan presentation and as well be able to grab the opportunity we have for you. Okay, so we don't want you to miss out at all from any single trading opportunity. We want you to be able to grow, want you to be able to use our signals, want you to be able to utilize this information, want you to be able to become a profitable trader. And this is not something that you just do nonchalantly. You need to be committed. You need to create their habits. Okay, you need to be able to create the right community. You need to create the right mindset. Okay, so it's not just it's not just you learning how to trade. You also need to have the right circle around you because if you don't have the right circle around you, you draft to different directions, and as well you need to take the right actions every single day. Okay, so that's what is really necessary for you to go to scale through in trading. So if you want a guide that will help you, you can get this book. It will help you set up your mindset, how to become a passive income machine in trading. Okay, it's free. Okay, the link is going to be on the description. It is seller.com/click to cart. Once you click on that, it will bring you to this store. You can get this book for free. Then as well, you can get this how to make 6 figures in 6 months without owning a property. This one as well, it's a book that set up some mindset. So once you get the book that sets up your mindset, okay, you join our community with people that are like-minded with you, okay? VIP gives you access to communicate and interact with every other person, okay? But the free group, you don't communicate and interact because a lot of people are there and sometimes they drop nasty content. So we limited them from texting. But when you're in the VIP, you're treated like royalty. You're able to text, you're able to reach out, you're able to discuss with your teammates as well. Then you want to join the VIP, it's just a one-time fee of 15,000 naira over. This is a 10 digital link signal services. You pay this amount, you can reach out to me with your receipt and then we'll be added to the VIP group. If you want to join our courses, okay, we have the 1 month, we have the 3 months, we have the 6 months, we have the 1 year. Once you come over, you click on view, you see the benefit. The benefits of you joining for one month to 1 year. You have a discount for the 1 year page. You get a funded account of $1,000 when you're done. You'll be added to our VIP analysis group whereby you'll be assigned a pair, you trade, and you'll be monitored and mentored to manage that pair very, very well. We give you a certificate, okay, and also give you the opportunity to back for our team and our company, whereby you can now scale and grow with us to become way more profitable. So the benefits of you joining our academy is not just to learn and just pass out, no, but it's for you to be able to grow with us, okay, to learn with us and also build with us. So this is now the Forex Mastery, a guide to trading success. These are best book. It helps with the mindset as well. Okay, if you get the course, you'll get access to this book. But if you don't want to get the training course, you just need to get a mindset book that will set your mindset, okay, give you some blueprints on how to become a profitable trader. Go for this book. It's just 10,000 naira. Once you do that, you gain access to the mindset of how to become a very profitable beginner trader. Okay, so I've already shared with you guys every single opportunity with us. But if you want to join our community, we want to attend our live seminar. We have a live seminar happening in Calabar this month of May, okay, 31st. Okay, the details will be dropped in our WhatsApp group. So I want you to click on this link 3/FX. Okay, once you click on the scroll down to the end, okay, you join all this community, you join our Telegram group. Okay, it's Forex. You see Forex, maybe it's this for Forex. This is our crypto group, 10x Digital and crypto Telegram group. Then we have the 10x Digital and WhatsApp group. Join all this community. We'll be dropping updates, dropping signals, dropping opportunities. Okay. Then this is our TikTok page, this is our Facebook page, this is our Instagram, this is our Twitter, this is our LinkedIn. Okay. So we want you to join and follow up. Okay. Any other opportunity that comes up, you will be updated there. Any other live session that we'll have, you will be updated there. Any other question you have, you can as well reach out through that medium, okay? Like I said before, we have a live seminar happening in Calabar 31st. Please on your calendar, if you're in Calabar, get ready. We'll be meeting you there, face-to-face interaction. We will be sending the registration link in the group, okay? We'll send registration link, and as well, we'll be updating this link through. Once this meeting, and this was the one we had in Abuja. So we're updating this link tree, okay, and add Calabar over. So once you click on this link tree, you can be able to come and see it to be Calabar. So this will be updated before or by 9 a.m. West African time today, 19th of May. So when you come back, you'll be able to click and register for the Calabar as well. We'll be dropping details in the group. And this is our official website. If you want to know more about my company, who we are, what products we offer, and then why you should come and learn with us, just come over here, type www.10xdigitallearning.com. Once this website loads, play this video over here. You play this video over here, it's going to tell you a brief of our registration process, a brief of those we have helped, a brief of what our future business plan is, and a brief of who we are. Okay, and this will give you way more confidence on why you should join us, because we are not just here, okay, to preach, but we are here to teach what we have learned. Okay, so you can go follow those steps and what get the results you desire in the Forex market. Okay, so I want you to just have the confidence, have the belief system to achieve success in trading. These are our training packages: the 1 month, the 3 months, the 6 months, and the 1 year. Like I said, if you want to go to the website, you can go to the website. But if you don't want to go to the website, you go through the seller step. Okay, the seller store is used to integrate a referral system in our platform right now. These are some of the comments we have had. Some students like Neka here. Neka here says, knowing and having you as a mentor is the best thing that has happened to me. Like I told you, if you want to get from zero to hero, you need to get a mentor who has done what you want to do. Okay, learn what they do, take their steps seriously, and then you achieve the progress you want to achieve. It's as easy as that. If you want to do it by yourself, okay, you would get step into a lot of mistakes that would delay you. These mentors have already passed through these mistakes. They just want to give you the stretch roadmap follow the 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, you hit the target. What you want to do by yourself, you will step into a lot of mistakes and you will have a lot of setbacks that will even take you more time to achieve the progress. So if you think that getting a mentor is way more expensive, that means that you have a mindset that investing in yourself is not worth it. You need to learn to invest in yourself wherever you are now, okay, financially. The energy that will bring you closer to where you need to be is an investment in yourself, getting the right education, getting the right tools, getting the right network. Okay. This will bring you closer to opportunities. This opportunity now solve a lot of challenges you thought you had before, and it will help you elevate and get to the next level. Okay. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I really appreciate. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and comment below. Comment below if you have any questions. Okay, I'll go into the comment section, and I do really appreciate your efforts to learn, to grow, and to 10x your income level with us. Have a profitable trading week.